Hello everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech, I will be showing you how to deactivate Facebook account. Now to do that, you open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you are logged in into the account of yours, what you need to do is you need to go and tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, tap that. Then you need to scroll down to the setting and privacy, tap that, then tap on setting. In the setting and privacy, you need to go to the personal and account information. Tap on it. Here you will have this option of account ownership and control. You tap that. And there you will find the option of deactivation and deletion. You tap on it. Now there's two ways how you can do this. Deactivate is for the temporary time period, whereas delete account is permanent. So we're gonna go and see the deactivation process. Tap that deactivation and then tap on continue to account deactivation. Before you begin all the process, you need to type in the password for your account. Type in the password, then tap on continue. There you will be asked why you choose to deactivate your Facebook account. There are a few options available. You choose the option that you want. I'm just gonna go and tap on the option. This is temporary. I will be back. Tap that and then tap on continue. Before you do that, you will be provided with the few information about your Facebook account, all the information over here, and at the end you will have this option reactivating your account. This is the option of reactivating your account, your Facebook account. If you tap on the drop down menu, you will see all these days. There's 1, 2, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, and option don't reactivate automatically. This is the number of days that you will have to reactivate your account automatically. If you choose the day 1, after the day 1 ends, your Facebook account will be reactivated itself. Now if you choose 7 days, it will be reactivated after 7 days. And if you tap on don't reactivate automatically, unless you went and log in into the Facebook account, your account will not be reactivated at all. So from the option, I'm just gonna go 1 day and then tap on continue. Before you go through the final process, you will be provided with the further more details about your Facebook account, and at the end you tap on deactivate my account. As you can see, you have been logged out of your account. So this is a way how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.